Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Roasted Hazelnut Cold Brew from Tim Hortons. So this is one of their newer drinks. They just recently got cold brews about 6 months ago, and they now have a new flavor with the Roasted Hazelnut Cold Brew. And it doesn't look like a cold brew, because usually it's separated, but I think it just got like mixed up a little bit as they handed it to me, so it's all mixed up now together, and I'm gonna give this my honest review, see how this hazelnut cold brew is. Yeah, and it slaps you in the face with the hazelnut flavor. I find hazelnut flavor in anything is very strong. Hazelnut's got a unique taste to it. It's very nutty and earthy. If you don't like hazelnut anything, I wouldn't try this out because it is very strong in the hazelnut flavor. That's all I taste. Don't even taste the coffee, which is odd. It's just straight hazelnut. It's pretty good though. Yeah, not too bad. It's very, I don't want to say sweet. It feels like it should be sweet, but it's kind of bitter because that's how hazelnut kind of tastes. It's got that bitter taste to it. It's pretty good though. I like it. So yeah, very unique flavor. And the cold brews from Tim Hortons are pretty good. I like the flavor of them, and they, you know, do their job. They keep you awake. So, or one more sip, and then I'll give my final review on it. It's a very creamy drink as well. That's one thing I noticed with the cold brews from Tim Hortons is they got a lot of sweet cream in it, and it's very like, gives a thicker texture than their iced coffees or their iced lattes. So if you like their lattes or coffees, I'd recommend trying out a cold brew of some form just to see if you like it. It's a little bit different. Cold brew coffee's made cold extraction process, so it makes the coffee taste a little bit more bitter than normal coffee, but it still tastes very good. I'm a big fan of anything, you know, cold brew like, so this one I like a lot. So the Tim Hortons Roasted Hazelnut Cold Brew, I would give an 8 out of 10. It's very good. Got that generic, you know, hazelnut taste to it. If you like it, you'll love it. So this drink's pretty decent. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.